Welcome back, dear viewers. Have you ever wondered who ensures your intellectual property rights are recognized and protected across the globe? Let me introduce you to WIPO, the World Intellectual Property Organization. WIPO is a specialized agency of the United Nations. Established in 1967, its mission is to promote and protect intellectual property globally, fostering innovation and creativity for a better future. Intellectual property, or IP, includes patents for inventions, trademarks for branding, copyrights for creative works, and geographical indications for products tied to specific regions. WIPO plays a critical role in ensuring these rights are respected internationally. Let's take a brief look at WIPO's journey. Its roots trace back to the 1883 Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Property and the 1886 Berne Convention for Literary and Artistic Works. WIPO officially came into existence in 1967 and became a UN agency in 1974. So, what does WIPO do? Here's a quick overview. Global IP registration systems. WIPO administers treaties like the Patent Cooperation Treaty, PCT, Madrid System for Trademarks, and Hague System for Industrial Designs. These systems simplify international IP protection. Policy development. WIPO helps countries draft policies that align with global standards. Dispute resolution. The WIPO Arbitration and Mediation Center offers an alternative to court disputes. Capacity building. It trains individuals and organizations on managing intellectual property. Currently, WIPO has 193 member states, almost the entire world. This collaborative effort ensures IP systems are consistent and effective globally. But why should you care? WIPO's work benefits inventors, artists, businesses, and even governments. It ensures your innovation or creation is protected no matter where you are in the world. However, WIPO faces challenges in today's fast-paced digital age. From combating online piracy to addressing the implications of AI-generated content, WIPO constantly adapts to protect creators and innovators. Want to learn more about how WIPO can help protect your work? Visit their official website at wipo.int or explore our channel for more videos on intellectual property rights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who could benefit from understanding WIPO. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on intellectual property and beyond.